Hello and welcome to Yeadon, Leeds, first day of March 2018. Officially, meteorologically, the first day of spring. Looks like it, doesn't it? Great. Today I'm going to call it Yeadon Island. Why? You all know Easter Island, right? With those funny men buried up to their necks in the soil. Well, now we have moon-gazing dogs buried up to their necks in snow. In spring. Fantastic. There they are. They still have a smile on their face. I know I wouldn't if I was buried up to my neck in snow. My bits would be below the snow line, and that's never a good for a bloke, is it? Never a good thing. They tend to retreat. But here it is. My task today is making firewood for our newly reinstalled wood burner. And I'm freezing my whatsits off. And it's just started to snow again. But this is Yeadon. Welcome. And welcome to my moon-gazing dogs on Yeadon Island. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next one. Okay, good morning. This is Amwav, or Lee, to you. It's Monday, the 5th of March. We are now a few days into officially, meteorologically, springtime. And this is the remnants of a week's worth of snow. As of yesterday, the temperature picked up and it's all started melting. Doing a good job in some places, not quite in others. I'm out on doggy walk this morning, starting our day. Monza and I. Say hi, Monza. I think that was a hi. Well, overlooking the airport from Yeadon Cemetery. We've heard one plane taking off, but we can't see them, even though we're less than 200 yards away. It's a funny old day, but it's not cold. I'm filming this without gloves on and one jacket. For the last week I've been wearing two. And so, this is where I'll begin my story of what I am up to now. Amwav used to stand for a man with a van. Sorry about the camera shaking. Now, I'm not quite so sure. I'm thinking, maybe a man with a Vauxhall. Sally bought me a birthday present, a Vauxhall Frontera, as a project car. I'll tell you more about that and what it needs later on. And I'll explain a little bit more about how we're in this position, thanks to my arthritis, which I'm not going to harp on about. So we'll carry on from doggy walkie very shortly. Shall we carry on, Monza Dog? Right, you are. Okay, see you soon. 'Twas the 14th of March 2018. An engine just arrived, as we've already seen. The one that it's here has got to go in there, and I have to do it. Oh boy, what a scare. Got a lot of work to do. This was the plan for a project vehicle, and now, well, it's started. The engine's not as complete as I was told as it would have been, but there's not a great deal that I can do about that. I'm just going to have to swap lots and lots of bits over. I guess I'll have lots of spares when I'm done, but I have to start. So I thought I'd let you have a look at what I've got, where it's going, and there's going to be plenty more videos as I get it done. But what a beautiful project vehicle. Oh yes, excuse the ciggy smoke. I'll be back shortly. Monza's not seen this yet. I wonder what he's going to say. Okay, so here we go again. A couple of days after the engine arrived, there it is, stashed away. the snow arrived again. The beast from the east 2, or light, they're calling it. Hi Monza, just a minute. So, here we are in springtime, and we're getting nothing but snow every week. It's going to take some getting started, this project, but it will. Keep listening, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'll keep you posted just as soon as there's more to know. Bye for now.